Morning students, today we will understand special feature of Windows 7 operating system. Children, Windows 7 as I told you is an operating system, and operating system is very much important software in our computer. Without operating system we cannot do work, and Windows 7 operating system is also a part of Microsoft company. Mr. Bill Gates is a owner of Microsoft company, children, and 7 is a version of Windows operating system. Today we will discuss its special features, Windows Action Centers and Windows Aero Interface. Children, first we will discuss about Action Centers. Children, this feature monitors look after the computer and also help us to keep our computer up to date. Up to date in sense that whenever we do work we can easily do the work in different softwares, we get a proper speed, we can just easily save our files, we can open the softwares, we can just close the softwares. So these features help us to see computer working properly or not. And Windows Action Center has a icon, children, that has a white flag, and this icon of white flag is located on the right side of taskbar on a system tray near the clock. What is the work of Windows Action Center feature? This features shows notifications for the updates. If we need to update some common softwares like Microsoft Office, Adobe Acrobat Reader, so this features prompt us that your software needs updates, so just install the updated software from the internet and other resources. What is the benefit of updating the software? Benefit is that, children, we get the latest features of the particular software. It also shows security messages. Suppose our antivirus is out of date, it prompts us that you just update your antivirus, reinstall the antivirus, you just change the settings of antivirus. It also see that internet settings are proper or not for security purpose. Sometimes it shows maintenance message that your files or your drives data needs to be backup. Also, if it found any type of issues that need immediate attention, it shows red cross on the flag. Just see, children, right side on the taskbar there is a flag, and when we click on that we find out that Windows Action Center shows some messages. If you want to read those messages and we want to just take some actions, we should click on these issues that it is showing, and then we can just solve that issue so that our computer will be up to date. Next feature is Windows Aero Interface. Children, this feature gives a new look to Windows. It has a 3 special sub features like Aero Peak, Aero Shake, Aero Snap. We can use these 3 options. First we will understand Aero Peak. What is a Aero Peak feature? Children, this feature shows desktop and minimize all the windows in that we are working, and for this we use show desktop button. For a particular time period, for a second, it shows the window. If you want, it shows the desktop. If you want to see the desktop when we are working in a particular window, like I am working in a Microsoft Word, I am working in a Excel, and for a time period I want to see on my desktop, I will use show desktop button. Children, just see carefully that this is the taskbar picture. Right side of taskbar, just corner right side, you will see there is a vertical bar you can see on the taskbar. This is a show desktop button. If we click one time, it shows desktop. If we click again, it will show the windows we have currently opened. So show desktop button works in both the manners. It shows the desktop, minimize the open windows, again we click it, again just shows the windows on a desktop. Aero shake. Aero shake means moving. Aero shake feature is used so that if you want that there are so many windows we have open, and if you want just a one window should be present and all other windows should be minimized. So what we should do, we have to just use a aero shake feature. In this, if we drag the title bar of a window we want from left to right continuously, if we continuously drag left to right, aero shake feature minimize rest of the windows and only current window will be on the screen. For example, I have opened paintbrush window, I have opened Microsoft Word window, I have opened a Excel program window, I have opened a browser window, I have opened a Windows media player window. So there are so many windows I have opened to work in that. Now I just want only one window, that is paintbrush window. So what I will do, I will just go take my mouse pointer on the title bar of paintbrush window, I will press the left mouse button, I will hold it and I will drag the window left to right continuously until unless the remaining window will not minimized. Now we will understand with the help of pictures. As you can see, there are so many windows are open, 1, 2, 3. Now as you can see, I want the first one window of a D drive. So we will click on it, we will continuously shake it left to right, and left to right we are shaking, we will find out that only one window will be on the screen, rest will be minimized. Aero snap. Now Aero interface is one more option, Aero snap. Aero snapping means to arrange the windows on the screen side by side, left side, right side. And children, this feature is useful when we want to compare two documents together, or we want to move the content from one folder to another folder, we want to copy or move the text from one file to another file. Now we will understand how we will just arrange the window. Children, we can arrange only two windows. If we have two windows, as I told you, we have two documents for comparison, we can arrange them side by side with the help of Aero snap. For this, what we have to do, we have to click on the title bar of one window and we will hold it, we will drag it to the left side of the screen continuously, and we will just release the mouse button, it will shrink to the half of the computer screen. And same way, now we will just click on the title bar of another window, and this time we will hold it and drag it to the right side of the screen, and then we will release it, also shrink to the half of the computer screen, and this way both the window will be arranged on computer screen. We will drag, now just see with the picture, we will drag the title bar of one window to the left side, we will release it, it will shrink to the cover the left half of the screen. Now same process we will do with the second window, but this time we will just drag the window to the right side and we will just release it, it will shrink to the right side of the screen. As you can see, both the windows are on your computer screen. Now you can easily compare if there are two documents, or if you want to copy the files from one folder to another folder, we can do it. If you want to copy the text from one file to another file, we want to move the text, we can easily do with the help of Aero snap feature. Thank you.